Looks like it's time I need to get some gas. I want to show you something pretty cool. It's called Get Upside. I want to show you how easy it is. You just open up the app. Make sure that you're in your gas that you need to get. Under profiles, need regular. Make sure you're on the gas you're going to use. So we're there. Let's close that out. Now we're going to search for a station that's going to give us back the most money. It's like that one right there. Let's go down here a little ways. Search the area. 4 cents, 12 cents, 2 cents. I like the 12 cents back one. This one right here. So we're going to go to this station and get 12 cents back on the purchase of gas. So hold on tight. Okay, finally got to my gas station. So let's reopen the app up. It should say it found me. 12 cents back, you are here. We're going to claim the offer. Then we're going to check in. Use the credit card we're going to use. And that's it. That's all you got to do. So, just to let you know, right now I've made $18.05, but I've already cashed out. Let's go to history. Let's see. I've already cashed out $325. So you can see this is doing pretty good for me. These are all my referrals and how much I get back from all the referrals. But you can sign up as many people as you want to this thing, and it is just awesome app. So stand by. We'll talk more, and I'll come up with some other great stuff. I'm going to fill up my car and head home. Another 300-400 miles. Alrighty, we are going to check the phone. I'll show you how to go back into the app again. And you see I've already made 18, 19, 32. And we're going to go see what's going on. So a couple days to get your money's worth. Let's go to history and see what we got here. So that's what I made, $1.13 off the fill up. And $1.68 off another one. Then my referral. So as you can see, it builds up slowly, but it's better than not having anything at all. But so if you like this, subscribe, hit the like button. I'll be posting more. Thanks.